Hello everyone, this is Ty from Oasis Auto. We specialize in automobile seat covers. Our product have two main categories. One is universal fit, second is custom fit. What you are watching right now is our universal fit seat covers. In about 2 minutes, I will also show you two different colors of our custom fit seat covers. I am confident that our product will meet or exceed your expectation. Unlike most seat covers on the market, our product not only protects your seat from spill, stain, damage, it truly improves the overall appearance of your vehicle interior. If you do like our product, before you decide to purchase, we highly recommend you to take a look at our installation video. Make sure you are comfortable with the entire installation process. For universal fit seat covers, we offer a step-by-step video guide. And for most models of our custom fit seat covers, we offer year, make, model specific installation video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there will be a link right below for all the videos I mentioned. There will be also links for our Amazon pages. If you're watching this at Amazon, what you can do is go to YouTube and find our channel at Oasis Auto and find all those links. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.